everyone, I thought I would just jump on today and do a quick video on how to access your online portfolio. Although we will be doing some more portfolio sessions up until the end of term now, it is still important you are taking some sort of ownership to be completing these on your own, okay? It's a little bit different for the second years this year. First years, you've not done this before, but second years, it's a little bit easier for you this year. So let's continue. First thing you need to do is go on to just the internet page and type in OneNote. Okay, it'll bring up Microsoft OneNote and I want you to click on that. So I'll sign out and do it again for you so you can see. So I'll type in OneNote again. Go on to the main page and it'll ask you to sign in, okay? You need to sign in using your UCLAN email address. Press no for staying signed in. Okay. What it'll come up for you then, it's not come up for me this time because I've already logged in, but what it'll come up for you is it'll take you to the UCLAN page. It'll ask you for your number and text you the code. It doesn't always do it first time, so just press text code, message code again. It's on like underneath, and then it'll give you the code and then you can log in. So first years, yours will be 2020 PZ 1090, and second years, yours is 2020 PZ 2090. So I'll just click on the second years for now. All your documents should be available for you to use straight away. So Kathy, hope you don't mind. I'm just going to jump on yours, so I won't look at anything. They all should be set up straight away. And what you can start doing is filling them in, okay? For example, the reflective log, you may need to copy and paste the actual documentation in, but I have uploaded the ones that you should be doing up to now, okay? Sorry, it's just jumped off. If you need any more documentation, all you need to do is just ask, because I've got them all here as well. So if you say, Lorna, can you send me that? I can send it over. But all the tabs are completed for you, okay? And you just need to literally just jump on and start adding the documentation. So you've got training that you need to be doing, so you need to be completing those for me, please, okay? And filling in those documentations for it. Again, I will upload, and all you need to do is copy and paste them in, okay? If you need any more help with this, please just let me know, but that is how you get onto your documentation.